So in this video, we will cover the type of casting and basic operators in Python. So after watching this video, you'll be able to know about different type of casting in Python, and what are different basic operators, including the input and output operators. So as you can see in this image, it's very simplified image of Python. The type of casting, there are different type of castings like integer, float, string, and boolean that we have already covered in the previous lecture. In this, we have covered different data types like integer, floats, strings, and booleans. So what is basically casting? It is the method to convert one data type to another. So for example, if you have to convert integer into float or float into string, this is what is casting. We can convert this into one data type into another data type. For example, integer 3.7. So you have given the command to convert it is integer value 3.7. So it will convert into 3. If you give this value to the Python, that is float in under quotes 4.5, so it will convert into simply 4.5, because here you have used string value. The string 1 to 3, again it will convert in under the quotes string 1 to 3. In the same way, boolean is there. So there are different type of arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and of course the modulus, exponential, etc. So let's start this topic now. Type of casting. So what is casting? I hope this is clear to you. Conversion into one to another. So this is the procedure of conversion of data types. So it is a process of converting a value or variable from one data type to another to ensure its compatibility with required operation. It is nothing but it is known as the casting. Since all the user input is initially treated as string, casting is necessary for mathematical calculations. So this procedure is also known as type conversion, that allows developers to transform various values, and this is also known as explicit type conversion. So there are different type: integer, float conversion, string conversion. We can convert different values. For example, the int function converts string or floats into integer, such as turning the string into integer 42. The float value, again, this is a short form float. You will give the command in Python. It will convert conversion of any integers or string into floating numbers, that is upon a decimal point. And string, again, similar constructor function exists to transform various data type into string values. Here it is simplified. Over here it is given. You have given the command int, then it will convert 3.7 into integer value, that is 3. Here you have given the command float under quotes 4.5, then it will convert just the string value into 4.5. Here you have given the command just convert this 1 to 3 into string, here under quotes 1 to 3, and in the so further so on the boolean also. So I hope this is clear. This is a type of casting in Python. So there are examples. Yes, we have completed this point now. Commonly different types: integer conversion, float conversion, and string conversion. Here it is given also int 42, that is converted into integer, float converted into a decimal value, and string it converted into a string value, that is under the quotations. So I hope this is clear. So this is a type of casting in Python. In the last, I acknowledge all the sources I used to prepare this video. This is only for education purposes only. There is no commercialization. Thank you for your valuable time.